tonight, man.
I'm gonna put a nigga on the hashtag.
Your hand soft as a bitch.
You know, yeah. Damn, nigga, let me put that shit one more time, nigga.
Wow, hands and shit. You got this nigga 4K. Got a little run tonight. Got a FBO Camaro, E85, long tube headers, custom intake. Just how the P51 is for the Mustang. Full drag pack, MSD Manifold. This Camaro right here is tuned by GPI also. And this is a 10-speed, so sheesh, man. It should be a good ass run. Make sure you guys are staying tuned for the rest of the channel. Go check out Hood Rich car right now. Sheesh. Got an FBO high ram right here. We got my boy Hood Rich 10-speed. I believe he is headers E85 intake. I can't even really say weight reduction because let me go ahead and show you guys. This guy still has the passenger seat in. If y'all did see the other car over there, they was fucking fully gutted out with the Camaro, custom intake and all that stuff. So this should be a good ass fucking race. He has the full drag pack as you guys can see. Dumped exhaust.
What you think? Cause you raced me. What you think?
So what?
You raced me. So what you think?
What's the road?
60 to 140.
60, 40?
Later, my nigga. You should be good at it.
Yeah.
I don't know about the beginning.
What gear you in?
Y'all both some big boys.
It's a
I tried that Camaro. I'm automatically
gonna
gonna be in front before I do it though.
Wait. Are you gonna spin? You're not gonna spin.
I'm not.
You're not
I'm not gonna stand.
You shouldn't.
It's just Camaro got good.
You gonna do a small burnout?
No, I'm just doing hits. I don't need to
Go on one.
You gotta do it like you on the freeway.
Yeah, I'm a, you know what it is.
Ain't gonna bring no IATs.
Or nigga, bring them bitches down.
I love how y'all can see y'all, man. I be guessing in my head.
What you probably
95. I do like a pour. I'm like, that shit.
No, this shit do not work like that.
So what's gonna be the outcome tonight, man? What's going on with it?
Whatever.
What's going on tonight?
Shit, you know what it is, nigga. Came for the win.
What's going on, Tone?
Yo, he should have lose. Yeah, he get close up to me.
Man, camp out here, man. What's going on with it?
You said camp?
Cold ass night. Niggas got work tomorrow.
Man, you know what? Fuck bandits. It's camp for the win.
You see that? Everybody
We already whacked them out, man. Nothing crazy.
right now. You might want to catch it.
Y'all good?
We're gonna count, then talking shit.
What spot?
They said they finna go count.
Cheated, my nigga.
I believe that 560.
560?
Yeah. That's right.
Y'all, I know you niggas want to.
Y'all can up? I got a 200. I got 200.
What's it do, Tristan?
Well, that ain't gonna work. We're gonna have to all put 100 in.
What's up, man?
200. I got 200 right here. Oh, 100?
200?
We can bet 100. I'll put 100 right here.
So 100, right?
100.
Me and you.
Cash app, Zelle, whatever.
I got cash, but if you don't got cash app,
No, I got cash. I got cash.
One bet 102?
Huh?
One bet 102?
I'm counting the pot, nigga. It said 5.
Another 100?
Another 100?
Low key? We could do like 5,000.
Some quick cash real quick, man.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. All right, bro. Lock that in.
Nah, I'll put 100 on there. I'll put 100 on there.
I got 100.
We got 100.
Somebody write down. I ain't writing down this time. Nigga, my nigga. This nigga's right in his race, my nigga.
What you got?
We can see it right here. 1, 2, 3. You put 100 in pot?
I got a side bet, so y'all can do y'all pop shit.
Nigga not about that bread.
Bro, it's not gonna be enough room for everybody.
How much is it?
It's 550. What y'all got right now?
4.
Shit.
1,
2, 3, 4.
You need more?
I put the 100 in, you bullshit.
I'll put 100.
I put the 60. I put the. Oh!
didn't even try to get that.
Yeah, I'll put 60 in, bro.
That's gonna be a weird ass post, nigga. That's gonna be like pot $1,020.
For real. Just cap it out. Just say 2K pot. Nigga, let me be like 2K pot. It was other side bets
5K minimum.
Driving it dry, bro.
It was side bets
Side
involved.
bets going around.
It's okay to be nervous. I know you're nervous. Nigga, like, we don't get nervous.
They
So
was
I
trying to
can
run
get
it
the car.
Not nervous. Tell you that right
Yeah.
there.
Tell him, not nervous.
Not nervous. Not nervous.
And you gotta redeem yourself from that last call.
So, when you're done, takes a race. Yeah. You want to count or you want me to count? What you want to do?
I count.
How you gonna count though?
You want 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do like I did when I recount.
I wouldn't have been.
Oh, you wasn't there? Oh, shit, I didn't know. I'm gonna turn the light on and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3.
All right. So you want to get 4 left?
You get right.
I get right.
Hold on. What did they say?
Yeah. So I need you on the like close to the carpool because I'm gonna have the GoPro on my mouth. So
Yeah, you on right lane. He on
Yeah,
right lane.
because if
that's
I
what I'm
count
saying.
like
So he's gonna
this.
get 4 left.
You be with
He
him.
gonna all the
Yeah,
way
he
to
gonna be
left.
on the left side, you
Yeah.
gonna be on right.
Oh, we can do that. I'm gonna count like this.
So there's 1, 2, 3. You going on 3 or you going after 3?
On 3. As soon as 3, I'm gone. All right, so if a car hopping at all, just rerun it. So a car get in front of somebody.
Yeah,
If a nigga car out,
If it's obvious, then come on.
I mean,
Job came back from
see,
obvious.
I was about to say, it's hard to say because I'll be hawking and shit too, so.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, if I'm already
Nigga forgot
at like 135 and you like 2 cars in back,
Well, that's different.
that makes sense, yeah.
or it's vice versa. You feel me?
Yeah, all right, man. We can do that.
Then we just meet at.
Yeah.
All right, so.
Y'all gotta go.
That bitch. It was neck to neck. I don't know who won.
We lost, or it was neck to neck?
It was neck to neck. I don't know who won.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
My 7th gear just some weirdo shit, nigga. My transmission like a what the fuck?
Really, nigga?
Yeah,
That nigga said we lost. I'm thinking, oh, you got our door.
And he finally got one up on me.
I don't know. Somebody said that shit when I pulled up.
I want to do a dig.
But who was that Hellcat that was talking niggas down?
You might want to go look at the GoPro with him before the shit starts getting fixated.
Come on.
Let's go look at that. Let's go look at that GoPro together.
Nigga, that 7th gear almost. Nigga, what? That's almost put me in a fucking body bag. Nigga, what? That bitch said. I'm like, nigga, whoa.
I ain't, nigga, all I saw was a takeoff. After that, I ain't see nothing. Y'all niggas was like at 140. I was like at 74 miles per hour.
144, and you right there.
No, put it to 140.
144, and you right there.
Back up to 140?
That nigga gone. That nigga out of there.
That's crazy. I'm going home.